Picture daw sila dito.
Yes, exactly. We love Tatay Digong. Stand with Duterte. We love you too. Yeah, perfect. We love Tatay Digong. 1, 2, 3. Tatay Digong! Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Send him back! 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 Send him
No,
back!
wag mo. Oh, picture na. Ang dami nyo ng picture. Oh, grabe, mga international pa yan.
Ganun na nga lang yung ating ano. Picture po?
Support ito ha. Support. Mag-fist kayo guys. Mag-fist kayo. Wala nag-fist ha. Grabe. Marag na something.
Guys, mga yung mga supporters diri karon. Sila ang ato ang
Guwapo gini mga Pilipino.
Siyempre. Siyempre.
Tanong mo naman si Bibi kanina, pag Pilipina maganda. Pag Pilipino ano daw? Yung sabi nila, guwapo din, di ba? Oo. Guwapo din. Alright. Iba talaga ang beauty ng mga Pilipino. Oh.
Inday Sara Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Okay na? Oh, balik.
Balik ka pwesto.
Oh, no, bundak na naman.
Balik ka pwesto. Pwede mo katawa.
Scripted.
Scripted. Sige, kalingaw, oy.
Yung mga picture niya, mga international na picture. Hindi ko alam na picture.
Si kasi nagpicture. Wala ko kabalo kasi nagpicture. Si ate. Si ate nagpicture ata. Oh. Ilong mo ka?
Oo, ate.
Naapin ko sa WhatsApp ata. Isa to nga WhatsApp.
Ito?
Oo, kana. Oh, yan.
Para sa pagmamahal natin.
Oo, kasi nakakaano na yung bansa natin para wala na tayong parang
Dahil sikat na kay si Sir Alvin dahil.
merkado. Yun lang pagkano ko.
They're here before.
Para makita kanila.
Ay, sorry po.
So, mag-interview si Sir Alvin guys sa Japanese media.
Everyone who's here actually supported of the former president. I don't want to characterize it as being. I think everybody are members here, and we are all here because we just want to support the former president. We don't know the number of people coming here. We just want to peacefully gather here, just to show our love and support to the former president. Well, we maintain that the ICC do not have jurisdiction over the Philippines, and we want to assert that this is illegal what we have done to our president. And we want, of course, for him to get back to the Philippines.
So like my understanding is the current president and the former president, and why do you support President?
What do you mean? Just to clarify your question.
So like what's your reason you support the Mr. President Duterte? What is the reason? Why do you support?
Oh, what, the reason?
Yeah.
Well, there are a lot of reasons, but I think the most important reason is that he unconditionally loved the Filipino people, and he is well beloved as well by the people because we can see it through his actions that he is very decisive and he's doing everything for the people to improve their lives. Yeah.
Thank you. What is like what
The most.
is what is the presence of the future for you? What is
He's a father figure. Yeah, he's a father figure. I actually consider him as the father of the Philippines. You know why? Because his vision for the Philippines is to become a developed country. It is a developing country, but it can be developed more. We want a progressive Philippines, which could compete on the global market. Filipinos are very competitive to begin with, so he wants the Filipinos to be known internationally.
and he was successful.
What do you mean? Yeah, of course, he was very successful in his work. You can actually see that during the end of his presidency, he received plus 81 net satisfaction rating, actually a very high for any public official to be a president in itself. Everybody can just dream to have that particular rating. Safety, of course. I'm very proud now to be a Filipino. Everybody, before we are only recognized Filipinos as what? That we are not capable, we are not competitive, but with his, he actually put the Filipino in the map globally. You don't agree? I believe.
No, like actually, I do not have the.
You don't see the picture or something. But do you recognize him? I suppose. Yeah.
I didn't know.
Ako alas 4 pa.
But we must understand these are allegations. Unless it is proven, it remains unproven.
It's going to start.
Exactly. Today is, I think, his first appearance with the ICC, and there are a lot of legal remedies that they're trying to slow it.
What do you think about him? I mean, like, it is seen that he got murdered, that he
Allegedly murdered.
murdered.
I think it's very important to assert that these are all allegations to begin with. And if they're saying that there are evidence, that is decided. Because the court has decided. But also, before we even go further, we need to take into account that this is ICC do not have jurisdiction over the Philippines, and we are no longer a member state. Why is it rightful even to have him tried in a foreign court? Our courts are perfectly working. Our judiciary are alive and thriving, so we assert that this is illegal.
When did you come here? And when did you come to St. Or
In the morning,
I mean,
to study here. So we were here in the morning already. I'm sorry?
to study here.
I know, I came here in 2017 to study here.
And where, which part?
Utrecht. I am from the southern part of the Philippines.
We ask you the name of the
Butuan City. I'm from Butuan. Butuan.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, oven and the chip. How long have you been a reporter?
Like the must extend.
Thank you, Tara.
Alvin did. Is there anything else?
Dagdagan ko yung announcement. Mic mo kasi hindi nila marinig. Hindi nila.
Hindi
Okay.
Oo, kaya naglapit ako sa mukha ko.
Guys, daghan na mi. Medyo daghan na mi. So, ang uban ani guys, ano lang, nagsabot-sabot lang yun ni individually mo lang. Dili yun ni siya. Gather-gather lang yun, lahi-lahi, grupo-grupo, gather-gather. Ako'y grupo dahil ano lang po, sampid-sampid lang.
Ang ganda ng weather today.
Oh, the sun is shining there with the Philippine flag. Nice.
Dilapit ako.
Kita na hirap po. Bago mo lang imong skincare. Celebrate. So guys, nanay harang digto so dili jud mi makasulod. Ambot lang kung makaagi ba si president kung former president kung silayan ba namo. Nice lang dahil. Guys, nice tayo ang flag, guys.
Everyone, relax lang ta ha. Relax lang ha.
Na yung mga antay. May mga antay.
Pinaka-perfect mo dito.
Anak ko naman sila busy ang dumating sila ang No, don't continue your agenda. Wag na.
Peaceful lang ha, peaceful lang.
Wag mong kansilin.
Mag-behave lang mi guys kay basig mapahawa mi. Okay, so daghan-daghan na tanaw mga Pinoy guys, tanaw jud do. Bahala nagtugnaw-tugnaw. Napa may free nga juice. Nice tayo. Ika makaalto dito. So, di may makasulod dito guys, nandito ang entrance. So, nadiri ang mga Pinoy guys, nagtapok-tapok. So, naapo dahil mga anti-Duterte guys na padulong diri ah. Relax lang daw, relax lang. Relax lang. Bahala ka ng anti-Duterte.
Ngayong gabi nakatakdang humarap si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte para sa kanyang pre-trial para sa kinakaharap niyang crimes against humanity. Kumpirmado namang dumating na ang anak ng dating Pangulo na si Vice President Sara Duterte kasama si Senator Robin Padilla. Pati na din ang former Duterte administrative spokesperson na si Harry Roque. Kung matatandaan, si Roque ay isa sa mga kumpirmadong accredited lawyer ni Duterte sa pagkakita sa ICC. Kaya ngayon, pinapano pa natin kung matagumpay bang makakapasok o makikita ni Duterte si Roque para samahan ito sa pre-trial. Sa ngayon, hindi pa rin nakikita ng Vice President Sara Duterte ang dating Pangulo. Para sa mga Pilipino na gusto yung sumambay sa pagdinig, maaaring abangan ang live ng pre-trial ni Duterte mula sa Daguet, Netherlands. Mula dito sa Netherlands, ako si Caro Zangar para sa ICC. Okay na ba siya? O hindi maganda?
Just
Ano no?
after lang over in the Netherlands, and it is
Aso
quite
papasahin ko ulit.
So, very nice ang weather, guys. So, it's already 12:30 p.m. here. And this group here, guys, morning mga pro Duterte. Nya adik to sa Pikas, na adik to sa Pikas. Ang mga anti-Duterte na yung mga placards also.
they were trying to get inside of this.
Yung kumpirmado namin. Yung second paragraph ba?
They were trying to get inside, but as Attorney Harry Roque said, there's some
So guys, padaghan na ang mga tao nga naadire. Mas hindi pa, di na mo makita si former president, pero suporta lang guys, suporta. Guys, vlogger namin diritanan guys, oh.
Salvador Mediadea was able to get inside the ICC detention center
Ayan,
and
masabi natin
talk
ganyan, ano?
to the former
On cue na ba
president.
tayo?
Is the official listed counsel as of now of the former president.
Ngayong gabi nakatakdang humarap si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte para sa kanyang pre-trial sa
That's correct. I think
accredited lawyer ni Duterte kung pagharap ito sa ICC. Kaya ngayon, inaabangan pa namin ang naging guys. Hindi pa rin nag-ona si Vice President Sara Duterte ang dating Pangulo. Para sa mga Pilipino na gusto umagtabay sa magkaya, ay maaaring abangan ang live stream ng pagkikayal ni Duterte mula dito sa Netherlands. Mula dito sa Netherlands, ako si Caro Zangar para sa IBC.
official counsel ng dating Pangulo, pero listed counsel siya to the ICC. So kung mag-a-accredit siya sa ICC lawyer, kasabay ng isa pang lawyer na Attorney Faulkner, I heard him say, British.
Sige.
And reporting from here, we are looking at the three lawyers. Kasama dyan,
Kay Sarah.
the arguments that we mentioned that we were
Sige.
over the jurisdiction of ICC in the Philippines. Number one,
Ngayong gabi na humarap si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang araw ng trial sa
hindi pa ka doon nakakausap.
para sa IBC. May sikuhan ng Netherlands. Ako si Caro Zangar.
Kasi naawa tayo na ay reporter niya ang mga ang mga pro Duterte na adta raw sa likod.
Sila lang naman yung maingay eh. Sabagay, kahit sila naman presidente. Ngayong gabi nakatakdang humarap ang dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte para sa kanyang plea trial para sa kinakasang kaso ng crime against humanity. Mula dito sa Netherlands, ako si Carol Panday para sa IBC News. Okay na ba? Para ang dami na dumadating. Ano na?
Send him back! 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 Send him back!
Ano na, maingay dito?
Send him back! Send him back! Send him
Ha?
back! Send him back!
Ay,
Send him back! Send him back! Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Mamaya kausap mo na naman yung pulis doon.
So guys, naay mga Filipino sa lain-lain nga lugar like Belgium, naadiri gikod gikan sa London, naagikan sa Paris, napud gikan sa Germany, Netherlands, napud ay Qatar guys na naabot diri to support.
What's your response to a day here at the ICC and not taking face the being handled by the Supreme Court in
So, grabe ang support guys. So, nang adto jud sila diri guys sa Netherlands to support.
Busy po yung mga media natin. Parang po sila. May taga Germany, may taga Paris,
Grabe ang support, guys. Grabe ang support.
Miss Universe, oh my God.
So guys, 12:43 na. Makita na to si President, former President o Vice President. So dito hilom kaayo. Hilom kaayo dito. Ambot lang kung asa siya moagi. Dili ko sure kung naabay agianan sa likod or kung naa na ba yun siya diha sa sulod. So guys, ikat na kayo dito yung mga ano guys.
Reporter na dire. Fake the numbers.
Guys, na mga taga London, na taga Paris, na taga Germany, na taga Belgium. So, murag European Union na ning naa dire guys. European Union.
May nanghatag.
Okay, mulingkod sa kasi end sa katong live. Na ay kisa ng glasses na bilin diri ah. So guys, balik lang ta later guys.